What's going on? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're here for you guys. Here for you guys. I know you guys get tired of just watching me all the time. Well, hopefully not, because you guys watch my channel. So yeah, I wanted to include you guys in my videos. I wanted there to be more interaction. I love talking to you guys when you guys make comments. I'll talk to you guys on Instagram. You know, I love interacting with you guys because you guys are the one that make the channel, you guys. I wanted to include you guys more in my videos. So at least once a month, if not more often, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of talk about what you guys are seeing out there, what you guys are purchasing. So yeah, so I got a bunch of you guys to send me your finds or your favorite cops for the last 2 months. We're going to do this on a monthly basis. If I get more submissions, we can do it even more frequently, but we're going to start with at least once a month. So let's see what some of you guys found for the last couple months, you guys. All right, let's start with Paul Jung. Paul was able to find the brand new the Volt Air Max 90s. Yeah, those are pretty dope. I've seen these a few times, but yeah, those bad boys just came out. Is able to find them for $84. $84 out. That's a hell of a deal. Paul was also able to find some Pegasus turbos for 75 bucks. We've seen that at the clearance center all the time, so that's a hell of a find. Those bad boys normally go for $180, on sale for like $130, $140 sometimes, but yeah, 75 is a hell of a deal. He also threw in a bonus. I like your style, Paul. Threw in a bonus. Found some metallic navy ones a while back, and he wanted to throw that in there. Yeah, for 55 bucks, man. Some Jordan 1s for 55 bucks. That's a hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. And those some Jordan 1 highs too, man. That's what's up. Thanks for sharing, Paul. Thanks for sharing. So we got Dar the Star, aka Darrell. He's able to he got a couple of purchases, no Nike outlet purchases, but he was able to get a really good deal on the FIBA 4s, able to get those bad boys for $150. That's a hell of a deal. The FIBA 4s were I'm not a huge fan of red, so I didn't cop them, but the quality was pretty decent. Quality was pretty decent. They definitely look really durable. Yeah, I didn't really have nothing bad to say about them. They were a lot better than I thought they'd be. And he also copped the Black Cats. He did get them for retail, but yeah, he said in his area a lot of the Foot Lockers were a lot of the Foot Lockers had ran out of certain sizes, so he just had to pick up what he could. You got to do what you got to do, Darrell, to get the sneakers. So yeah, good for you. All right, we got my man James, aka Mims Bands. James was the first subscriber that actually talked to me at the outlet, so that was really cool. Ran into him just recently. Ran into a couple times now, but he was able to find the red cement 3s. He actually got this Black Friday weekend at the Torrance outlet, when the Torrance outlet told me, hey, we can't bring any retros from the back. So that was hell interesting. I think he got them on Thursday, so maybe they implemented this rule later on, but he was able to find those bad boys for $145. That was pretty dope. That's a hell of a deal. He shops at the same outlets that I do, so he was also able to find these Jordan 12 dark gray. I don't know why the hell they call them dark gray, but the Jordan 12 dark grays, which are hella clean, he was able to find those bad boys for $145 at East LA as well. So James, big ups to you, man. You be getting the same deals that I be getting. So big ups, bro. We got D Farley from Colorado, I'm assuming, because your name is Mr. Colorado 18. He was able to cop the red cement 3s. He was able to get those bad boys at the Nike outlet for 30% off. Dope pickup, man. You can't go wrong with sneaker that just came out and then within a couple weeks being able to get them for 30% off. Great deal, D. Good job. All right, now we got Doug. Doug be finding all kinds of deals apparently. Doug E Fresh 21, aka Douglas. Yeah, he was out there copping all kinds of deals. He was able to find the LeBron Low, the Looney Tunes. Those bad boys just came out. That was actually a pre-release, and I don't even think the regular ones are out yet. But I think he got I guess someone got a pre-release, returned them. He was able to cop those bad boys for under $120. That's a hell of a deal, Doug. Good for you. Doug was also able to get the Jordan 10 retro wings. He's also able to get those bad boys for $133. I think that's what, 30% off. He was able to get those bad boys for 30% off. And he also got some Element React 55s for under $40, $38, man. Way to grind, way to go out there and get them steals. Doug, I thought you were done finding deals. You got another one. You got the Phantom Venom Elite cleats. He's able to get those for $30. If I remember, those are some pretty high-end cleats. So yeah, $30 is a hell of a steal. So good for you, Doug. Good for you. Way to go out there, way to grind, and way to grab them deals. Doug also got some women's Air Max 98. Doug thinks like I do, because I think these are for him. They're a size 12. Got them for $28. $28. And he got it's a women's size 12, which is a 10.5 in men's. But yeah, that's a hell of a deal, because I've gotten women's shoes that are pretty big as well. So Doug, I think you get the biggest steals of the last 2 months on my channel. Good for you, Doug. So we got Big Baldy DOS from Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for sharing where you got your deal from, or where you're from. I definitely appreciate that. Big Baldy was able to get these LeBrons for $75. Got 30% off on top of that, and copped them for $52, man. $52 for some LeBrons. That's what's up. That's a hell of a deal on some LeBron 16s, you guys. I don't remember the exact colorway. I do remember seeing these, but I don't remember the name of the colorway. But big ups, man. That is one hell of a deal. Hell of a deal. All right, and the last subscriber that contacted me is Valley Kicks. And Valley Kicks seems to be a reseller, which I have no problem with. You're hustling just like I'm hustling, you know. But yeah, Valley Kicks was able to come up on all kinds of retros. Got him some what are those? Some Jordan 10 Super Bowls right there. Was able to find like 3 or 4 pair of the Red Cements. Was able to find some Jordan 1 lows. I was able to find all that stuff, it looks like, for 30% off during Friends and Family. So yeah, good for you. Oh, Valley Kicks, he's around the corner. It looks like he found all his stuff from the clearance store. That's the one that I go to twice a week or so. So good for you, Valley Kicks. Thanks for sharing, you guys. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sharing, Valley Kicks. Much appreciated. Yeah, big ups on all those deals, man. Big ups on all those deals. And then we got, and the last person we got, probably a reseller too. Good for you for grinding. Is it LA Vita Retail 2? If I'm wrong, please correct me. I do apologize. But yeah, I think it's LA Vita Retail 2. Was able to come up on multiple Kyrie concepts. Multiple Kyrie concepts. Able to get one of those Looney Tunes that we saw earlier. As well as a couple of Air Max 95s and some 270s, all for 30% off, you guys. And it looks like all those got resale value. If I remember, those 270s were going for under $100. They were, and then to get 30% off on top of that for friends and family. I know you scored a hell of a deal on those. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Obviously, I share what all the finds that I get. I want us to be. I want my channel to be more of like a community where we're able to interact with each other and see what other people have bought. Because why? Because that helps us, right? That helps us. That helps you. That helps you. You're able to help someone else. They're able to help you, and we can all find some deals. Why? Because everybody else is looking for deals. So you know we need to help each other to grab some of those deals, you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this new format, this new type of video. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead, make sure you guys press that thumbs up button. Make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new, make sure you guys press that subscribe button. Don't forget to click that notification bell. And yeah, thanks for joining, you guys. See you guys next one. Peace. Man, we need to find some more deals, man. Everybody beat me to these deals, man. Everybody beat me. Everybody beat me. Good job, you guys, man. Some of y'all came up.